In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create bullet lists in OneNote with keyboard shortcuts so you can format your notes much faster without clicking through menus. This is a simple but super useful trick if you take a lot of notes, build study outlines, or organize tasks inside Microsoft OneNote. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. If you're using OneNote on Windows, the fastest way to create a bulleted list is by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and period. So place your cursor where you want the bullet list to begin, then press Ctrl plus period on your keyboard. OneNote will instantly switch that line into a bullet point, letting you start typing your first item right away. Once you type your text, press Enter to move to the next bullet. Then just press Enter again after each item to keep the list going. If you want to stop the bullet list, press Enter twice or use the shortcut to return to normal text, depending on how your version of OneNote behaves. The big advantage here is speed. Instead of reaching for the toolbar every time, you can keep your hands on the keyboard and move through your notes much faster. This is especially helpful when you're taking class notes, meeting notes, or creating checklists inside OneNote. Another great tip is to combine this with other formatting shortcuts, so your workflow becomes even smoother. For example, you can use keyboard shortcuts to jump between headings, indent items, and keep your notes organized without slowing down your typing. If you often create structured notes, learning these small shortcuts can save you a lot of time over the course of a day. Now, if the shortcut doesn't seem to work immediately, make sure your cursor is in a text area inside OneNote and that your keyboard layout is set correctly. Some shortcuts can vary slightly depending on the version of OneNote you're using, but in most Windows versions, Ctrl plus period is the standard command for bulleted lists. So let's quickly recap. Click into your note, press Ctrl plus period, start typing your bullet point, and press Enter to add more items. That's all it takes to create a bullet list instantly in OneNote, using just your keyboard. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy OneNote tips, productivity shortcuts, and software how-tos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.